Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classify. In today's video, I will tell you how to remove the Docker images which is present in your in your Podman machine. So, in previous video, I have already explained the Podman setups and pulling the images, run that images, and so on. So, if you didn't watch my previous video, just go to Podman playlist and watch all the previous video. In this video, I am going to tell you to remove the Docker images which is present in your Podman machines. So, for removing the Docker images in your Podman machine, first we need to open the CMD. So, for opening the CMD, I am going to press Windows R button from the keyboard and in the text box I will type CMD and enter the button from the keyboard. Now CMD will open it. In here you need to first check the Podman machine. So I'm going to check Podman machine. Okay, that is a spelling mistake. So we need to remove E and let's check. And you can also check the current machine is running or not. This is the one machine which I have created previously and the current state is running. You can see here. So no need to start that machine. And for checking the images which is present in your local machine, you need to type Podman images. Now you will see all the images which is present in your local machine. So I'm just going to remove second images, these images. Docker IO / library / nginx stable alpine 3.21 Perl. So for removing these images, we need to type podman rm I remove images and images name are images ID. So I'm just copying this image ID because I need to remove this image and typing in here and entering. Now it will remove these images. You can see untagged and deleted. If you check all the images which is present in your local system, so you need to type Podman images, enter it. You will see one images right now is available. If you want to remove these images as well, so you can also type Podman RMI and image name, repository name or image ID. So I'm just going to copy repository's name. Previously, I have explained to remove the images using image ID. So I'm just using the repository's name and entering it. You will see this image is not deleted because this image is running right now. So you need to remember if that images are already running in your system, then that image you can't remove it. For checking that images, you need to check Podman PS and enter it. Right now it is not running, and if you see if that images is already running and currently it is stopped, so you just type Podman PS-A. Now you will see this is the images and current stage is stopped. So you just remove this stopped container. This is a container ID. So I'm just typing RM and copying the container ID and entering it. Now it is removed. You can see there is no stopped container as well as running container. So now we can remove the images. So for removing that images, I am using the previous command, this one. Now you will didn't get any warning and error. you can see previously this errors came. Now I am entering it. You will see this image will be removed. It is deleted. You can see my screen. Now I am going to check the images as well. You will see there is no images available right now. So before removing the images from your local system, first you need to check that image already created a container or not. If it is already created a container, then first you need to stop that container and remove that container as well. So that you can remove that images in your local system by using container name, container ID or repository's name. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update. Thank you.